In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a ChatGPT Gmail extension to write an email reply quickly and clearly. We'll go through the full process from setup to sending so you can save time while still making sure your message sounds right and includes the details you need. This is especially helpful if you want a fast draft but still want to stay in control of the final email before it goes out. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Since this workflow uses a Gmail extension powered by AI, Chrome is a common and convenient place to set everything up. Once Chrome is open, install a ChatGPT Gmail extension. During this step, make sure you're choosing a reputable extension and follow the normal installation prompts in your browser. After it's added, give it a moment to finish setting up so it can appear properly inside Gmail. Next, open Gmail in Chrome and sign in if needed. Once your inbox loads, find the email you want to reply to and open it. It's a good idea to read the original message carefully before generating a response so you understand the tone, the request, and any details that need to be addressed. Now look for the ChatGPT or AI writing button inside the email reply area. Depending on the extension you installed, this button may appear near the Compose tools or inside the reply box. Click it to begin generating your response. When prompted, enter a short instruction for the reply. Keep your instructions simple and specific. For example, you might ask for a polite response, a professional confirmation, or a brief answer that addresses a question. The clearer your instruction is, the more useful the generated draft will usually be. Once the extension creates the email, take time to review and edit it carefully. This part is very important. AI can help draft quickly, but you should still make sure the message is accurate, appropriate, and written in your own voice. Check names, dates, commitments, tone, and any important facts. If needed, rewrite parts of the message so it feels natural and matches what you actually want to say. Finally, send the email only after checking all the details. A quick final review can help you catch mistakes and avoid sending something unclear or incorrect. Using an AI extension this way can make replying in Gmail much faster, while still keeping you responsible for the final message.